Hello, this is Arya. Welcome to Orissa Post Live and you are watching today's top headlines. Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik has written to Prime Minister Narendra Modi requesting him to extend additional allocation of rice under the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana for at least 8 months for its free distribution among beneficiaries of National Food Security Programme. Naveen pointed out that economic activities are yet to reach the pre-pandemic level, as a result of which people still struggle to lead a normal life with sustainable means of livelihood. A newborn girl who was stolen by an unidentified woman from the district headquarters hospital at Sonpur Saturday morning was found dumped on the roadside near Sardapalli village under Pratappur police station Sunday. Sonpur police rescued the baby from the roadside and rushed her to the DHS for treatment, where the mother of the infant, Santoshini, identified her newborn. Rourkela became the only city in Odisha to bag 1-star rating in Swachh Sarvekshan 2021, the results of which were announced in New Delhi Saturday evening. Rourkela was placed at 57th rank. As many as 372 cities of the country with a population of 1 to 10 lakh had taken part in the survey under garbage-free city category. A day after the entire Rajasthan cabinet submitted resignation, a total of 15 ministers took oath at Raj Bhavan in Jaipur today. Taking to Twitter, Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot set eyes on the upcoming assembly elections, stating that Congress will again form the government in the state in 2023. With Prime Minister Narendra Modi having announced that the 3 contentious farm laws will be repealed, farmer leader Balbir Singh Rajewal today said that the Samyukta Kisan Morcha will hold a meeting November 27 to decide on the future course of action. He added that the farmers' march to the parliament will go ahead as per the schedule November 29. Meanwhile, the Union Cabinet is likely to take up the 3 farm laws for approval of withdrawal Wednesday, a source said. The United Nations Migration Agency said 75 migrants drowned in the Mediterranean Sea north of Libya earlier this week as they attempted to reach Italy by boat. Also Saturday, the Italian Coast Guard rescued more than 420 migrants, including dozens of minors, from boats in difficulty in the Mediterranean Sea amid rough weather. India will take on New Zealand in the third and final T20 International at Kolkata in a few hours from now. Having already pocketed the series with a couple of near-perfect chases on Jaipur and Ranchi belters, Captain Rohit Sharma is likely to try out a few of his reserve players as India aim for a clean sweep against the visiting Black Caps. That's all for today's top headlines. To stay updated, keep watching Orissa Post Live.